In front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In them, tap on Apps section, then scroll down, tap on Default Apps, and click on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click over here, tap on my new downloaded app in order to apply it, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!